My name's Zach Birnbaum with American Excavating. I am a project manager and the owner of American. So equipment management, bidding. My father, Steve Birnbaum, still an owner of the company. We started in 1985. Well, I came in about 2004 when I graduated high school, and I've been here ever since. The business is primarily water and sewer installation. We do a lot of site development, neighborhoods, larger industrial sites. Main focus is underground utility, water and sewer, lift stations, water treatment plants, water plants, all that kind of heavy industrial stuff. We started using Komatsu 2 years ago. Previously, we used a lot of other brands, and I developed a really good relationship with CEC and Jack Fullerton. He took us down to the plant and he showed us around, and I was very impressed. It's very clean, it's very tidy, it's not what you envision when you think of a non-US built piece of equipment. It is US built. So I had a lot of familiarity with Komatsu. I mean, you see them everywhere on the roads, right? It was the first Komatsu we ever purchased. It was a WA320 loader. Chad brought it out, we demoed it, all the guys liked it, and we decided it was time to make a little bit of a change and try something new. We have a 270 loader, and we just purchased a 138 excavator, and we have a 400 articulated truck that we bought used from AIS. CEC service has been huge. I mean, we're a small family-owned company. It's just nice to have that personal relationship with people. We still do deals on handshakes all the time. Komatsu Care has been great. CEC comes out and services our equipment excellent. They actually call us sometimes with the error codes coming up, and they're on it before we are.